very clearly. So student, I just showed you the model of this thing, but let us have a very good look, a very detailed look on what this globe looks like. Okay students, so let us start. Before starting in this chapter, what are we going to see? We will study that first. Now the name of our chapter is nothing but the globe. Okay students, so what are we going to study? Now what is globe? Globe is a model. What is student? Globe is a model of our earth. Okay. So we are going to study this. We are going to study this particular model of our planet Earth, that is called the globe. Now students, in this globe, I will just introduce you this thing first so that we can make it a side. Now what is this student? Here is the exact replica. You can say it is the same model of your planet Earth into a smaller scale. Okay? इससे और भी छोटे-छोटे globe भी आते हैं. There are different shapes and sizes of this particular globe. Clear? It can be of any shape. Now, सब में एक चीज common होगी. Though they are different shapes, they are having latitudinal lines and the longitudinal lines. Okay? They have that horizontal and vertical lines on particular area. Okay? And also student, they have two axes from where it can easily be rotated. Okay? From this side you will be able to see this portion. From my angle I am able to see the back portion. Okay? But if we rotate it, we will be able to see the exactly opposite part. That is, you will be able to see what I was able to see, and I will be able to see what you were seeing. So this how it is works, students. This is the way it works. Also students, it is same as your planet Earth is visible from the space. As I can tell you, entire oceans are placed same to same. The design, okay, the design, the landscape of your Earth, the land masses is exactly the same, but everything is done into a smaller scale. Clear? This is nothing but your model of the Earth. See here, this is how your entire globe looks like. And students, here also you can see that there are latitudes and longitudes which are passing through it. They are making some grid lines. Okay, we will be studying this entire thing one by one in this entire chapter. Okay, so now let us move towards our explanation part. This was just an introduction for your model, that is globe. So students, let us have a look about this chapter first. What are we going to learn in this chapter? Okay, let us see the things that we are going to learn in this chapter. Very first, we are going to see what is globe. Okay. edge to the other edge, we will fall down. Okay. But after they developed with the technologies, they went to space, and as they moved higher, okay, as they went up to certain height, the earth seemed to be spherical towards them. Okay, and after that, when they reached there, they got to know that our earth's surface is somewhat in a spherical shape. Now students, it is not easy for every one of us to go into space and study our planet Earth. Is it possible for you and me to go into the space? क्या हम एक दिन में जाके आ सकते हैं? No. It is not at all possible, है ना? So, what our geographers did to make it easier for people like us, okay, who is not able to go there, they made it easier to the people like us to study our entire planet, okay, to do the study of our entire planet. What they did? They made a small model, okay. What they did? They did a small model of the globe, okay. They exactly made our planet Earth into a smaller size, okay, and that is nothing but your globe. So basically what you will say, what is globe? Your globe is nothing but a model of the planet Earth. Okay students, so this first is nothing but your globe. Okay, ये हमने समझ लिया what is globe. Fine, समझ आ गया. अब उसमें क्या होता है, कुछ lines draw की हुई थी. Okay, I will show you in a little bigger form. Fine, and we will study them one by one. Now what we see is, what are they saying us? That our Earth, okay, this suppose is our planet Earth. Okay, now on this thing, this is a globe. Suppose this is a model of a globe. On this thing you will see, if you would have ever seen, that there are certain horizontal lines. Okay, there are certain horizontal lines we will be seeing on top of it, and we will be seeing some vertical lines as well. Okay, so आपका globe जो है ना, वो आपको कुछ इस तरीके का दिखेगा. Okay, this would be something will be appealing to you when you see a particular globe. Okay, कुछ इस तरह की ना lines draw की जाती है उस पे. Now what are these lines students? These are nothing but your latitudes and longitudes. अब इसको याद कैसे रखें? ठीक है, कि latitudes क्या होते हैं, ये तो भूल ही जाता है, वो खड़ी लाइन होती है, रेडियो की लाइन होती है. So now a very small one, a very quick idea for you is, जो लेटी होती है ना, वो latitude होती है. Okay, if you say the one who is sleeping are the latitudes. In हिंदी भी say कि लेटना, है ना? लेटना means इस तरह से लेट जाना. Okay, horizontal. तो हम उस horizontal lines को या लेटी latitudes को हम बोलेंगे latitudes. Okay, वो लेटी हुई lines को we will say latitudes. और हमें longitudes को अगर याद रखना है तो हम बोलेंगे long longitudes, है ना? उसके नाम में ही हमें आंसर मिल जाता है. Okay, so this was a small trick for you to remember what is latitude lines and what are longitude lines. क्योंकि हम कभी-कभी कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि इसमें से कौन सी दोनों लाइंस होगी. अरे ये latitude तो नहीं है या वो longitude तो नहीं है. तो इसीलिए आप बोलेंगे लेटी होगी latitudes and long longitudes. Okay students, so this was a very small trick for you people to understand or to remember how to what is the latitude and what is longitudinal lines. Okay, so today I told you that we are going to study only the latitudes first. Okay, हम लेटी latitudes को क्या करेंगे, समझेंगे कि उस इन लाइंस का हमारे इस planet पे, हमारे इस ग्लोब पे काम क्या है. अब सबसे पहली बात, ये जो लाइंस होती है, ओके, these are all imaginary lines. ठीक है, these are all what student? Imaginary lines. इसको सर्च में आप जाके ढूंढते मत बैठना, टॉर्च लेके कहीं ढूंढने मत चले जाना कि लाइंस कहाँ पर है देखते हैं. No, these are all imaginary lines. ये सिर्फ हमने हमारे कन्वीनियंस के लिए ड्रॉ की है हमारे ग्लोब पे. क्यों? ताकि हमें किसी प्लेस का डिस्टेंस, ठीक है, और वो कहाँ पे है, कहाँ पे हमारे पूरे प्लैनेट पे लोकेटेड है, वो देखने के लिए, ठीक है, वो ईस्ट में है, वेस्ट में है, नॉर्थ साउथ में है, ठीक है, या फिर उसका टाइम क्या है. टू नो ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी हैव ड्रॉन दैट इमेजिनरी what we will call it as globe. Okay. Now students, latitudes means लिटी लाइंस. ओके, सो अब इस पे जो है हम कुछ लाइंस ड्रॉ करते हैं. जस्ट पे अटेंशन. Our very important latitude and our first latitude on our planet globe, or you can say, sorry, not planet globe, on our globe is nothing but our equator line, which is dividing our entire globe into two sections. ठीक है, इससे हमको क्या मिल गया? Two sections मिल गए. Okay, what did we got students? We got two sections of our entire globe. What we got is northern hemisphere. Okay, what we got for student? Northern hemisphere. ठीक है, this entire portion is nothing but your northern hemisphere. And since ये north है, तो उसके opposite में what we will get student? We will get southern hemisphere. Okay, so this is something what we are going to एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है, वो 90 डिग्री पे दिखा रहा है। इट इज नाउ, अगर आपको कोई भी देखना है तो कैसे देखेंगे, हम इस तरह से मार्क करके देखेंगे। अब ये क्या हो गया, लेटी हुई है कंप्लीटली, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा 0 डिग्री मार्किंग हो जाएगा। एंड इफ वी मूव फॉरवर्ड वी विल बी सीइंग द अदर different kind of angles forming over here, and as we move towards the exact pole it is going to be marking towards the 90 degree. Now you understood this applies for entire this thing. Okay, ये कहाँ apply हो रहा है, towards entire southern part also. तो southern में भी अगर हम देखेंगे वो अगर ऐसे घूम रहा है, सारे angles बना रहा है, तो यहाँ पे हमारा क्या आ जाता है 90 degree. So if we want to locate our any kind of a place, say suppose हमें कुछ ढूंढना है जो है कहीं पे 40 डिग्री पे, कोई जगह लाई कर रही है 40 डिग्री पे, तो वो कहीं पे यहाँ पे होगी। ओके, सो अब 40 डिग्री कहाँ हमने, तो उसको यहाँ 40 डिग्री, लेकिन कहाँ आप पूछोगे ना, 40 डिग्री ग्लोब पे ढूंढेंगे, लेकिन हम कहाँ ढूंढे उसे, नॉर्थ की तरफ है, साउथ की तरफ, आप क्या बोलोगे 40 डिग्री नॉर्थ पे कहीं पे है, तो आप उसे यहाँ मार्क करोगे। अब 40 डिग्री की लाइन सपोज यहाँ पे कहीं से पास हो रही है, ठीक है, लेकिन एंटायर ग्लोब में 40 डिग्री तो पूरी लाइन होगी। अब ये लाइन एक जगह है नहीं, इट इज सर्कलिंग, इट इज कवरिंग एंटायर ग्लोब, पूरी लाइंस होगी, वो एक तरफ नहीं होगी। ओके, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू कवर ओनली वन थिंग, इट इज गोइंग टू कवर द एंटायर ग्लोब स्टूडेंट। ठीक है, तो नाउ यू विल बी सीइंग दैट कि चलो ठीक है 40 डिग्री नॉर्थ बोला, लेकिन कौन सा 40 डिग्री नॉर्थ, ओके, कहाँ 40 डिग्री नॉर्थ, तो ये हो जाती है हमारी आधी अधूरी इंफॉर्मेशन। व्हाट इज द स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज अवर ओनली हाफ इंफॉर्मेशन which we have to complete it with the help of our longitudes. Okay, that we are going to study in our next class, but for now you understand, if you want to locate any place, just I give you the example that is 40 degree north, so we will be seeing in the north 40 डिग्री की लाइन पे आने वाली वो लैटिट्यूड को देखेंगे, एंड उस लाइन पे आने वाली सारी जगहें क्या हो जाएगी 40 डिग्री नॉर्थ पे होगी। क्लियर, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी दैट। दिस इज द हेल्प ऑफ लैटिट्यूड। व्हाट इज हेल्पिंग स्टूडेंट, इट इज हेल्पिंग अस टू लोकेट अ प्लेस, ओके, लोकेट अ प्लेस ऑन एंटायर ग्लोब, वेदर इट कुड बी ऑन नॉर्थ आल्सो, इट कैन बी इवन ऑन द साउथ आल्सो। सो दीस लाइंस आर नथिंग बट दे आर forming a particular angle, okay, which we have to see whether which degree or which distance it is, and it is measured into degrees. Okay, it is that easy student, don't get confused in it. Clear? Now another feature of this is they are running parallel to each other. Okay, they are not crossing or intersecting each other, they are always a parallel lines. What are they students, they are always a parallel lines. So what are we going to say this? Either we will call it as a latitudes, या फिर हम इसे बोलेंगे parallels. Okay, what we call it as either latitudes or we will call it as a parallels. So now you understood students how this is going to work. This is the way how our entire lines is working on our entire globe. Fine student. So now this was nothing but our लैटिट्यूड्स। तो लेटी लैटिट्यूड्स को हमने अब देख लिया, समझ लिया कि हमें वो इमेजिनरी लाइन से, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट इट इज कंप्लीटली व्हाट स्टूडेंट, एन इमेजिनरी लाइंस। ओके, सो वी डोंट हैव टू टेक अ टॉर्च एंड गो इन सर्च ऑफ दोस लाइंस। ओके, सो दैट लाइंस आर द लैटिट्यूड लाइंस आर आवर इमेजिनरी लाइंस। वी हैव आवर 4 important latitudes. Towards the north we have Tropic of Cancer and we have Arctic Circle, and towards the southern hemisphere we are having Tropic of Capricorn and we are having Antarctic Circle. These have their own measurement, they are placed, okay, they are placed in their particular own distance towards the north or towards the south. These are running from east to west. Okay, हम इसे इसीलिए कहते हैं relative latitudes. They are running from east to west. Okay, from east to west. Okay, and it is covering our entire circle. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ इसी पोर्शन में है, वो पूरे ग्लोब में है, इसीलिए हमारा ग्लोब क्या है, घूमता है, so that we can see on which direction it is. Okay, either it is in the west direction or it is in revise this thing.